Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to talk about object in JavaScript. We have already covered function and arrays in our last videos, so go check it out if you haven't watched those. So let's talk about object now. So what is an object? Object is a type of variable, or you can call it a data type which can store um, key and value pair and also functions. Let me show you what does it mean. So let's suppose I'm taking a var obj equal to, and whenever you are writing an object you have to declare this curly bracket. So inside this curly bracket you have to mention the key and value pair. Let's suppose I'm giving a key name. So whenever you're writing a key you have to put this uh, colon, then you have to mention the value of it, let's suppose or no. So this is a one key and value pair. Let's suppose I want to access the name of this. So what I have to do is console log, type the name of the object which is obj and put a dot after that, and then mention your key name which is name. So what we are getting here is Arnav. So let's suppose I want to add one more key and value pair here, so I have to put a comma after this, and let's suppose work developer, and you want to access this work here, so let's suppose I'm playing this out and work. So we are getting this front-end web developer. So okay, let's the data type is clear, I think. So let's talk about functions now. In this object, you can declare functions also. Let's suppose func, this is a key, and put a colon here and colon and type function just like normally we do. And inside this function we can do whatever we want. Let's suppose I'm console logging, this is a function. So in order to access this function, what I have to do is console log, type the name of the object which is obj and put a dot, and type the name of this function, the key name, put the key of the function which is func, and write this, and we are getting okay. We have already write console log here, so we don't have to write console log in here, just call this function. So what we are getting here is this is a function. So I hope it is clear to you now. So thank you for watching. I will see you next time.